Welcome to the enchanting land of Denmark, a place where old-world charm meets modern innovation, where windswept coastlines give way to bustling urban hubs, and where history intertwines with a deep-rooted sense of happiness and community. Denmark, a Scandinavian gem, is a country known not only for its breathtaking natural landscapes, but also for its rich culture, progressive values, and timeless stories. Join us as we explore the heart of Denmark, a country that effortlessly blends the traditional with the cutting edge. Our journey begins in Denmark's capital city, Copenhagen. A city that pulsates with life, Copenhagen is a testament to Denmark's ability to honor the past while embracing the future. Known for its colorful harbor of Nyhavn, the cityscape is dotted with pastel-colored townhouses, charming boats, and the sounds of street musicians. Copenhagen's appeal lies in its vibrant mix of historic castles, innovative architecture, and sustainable urban planning. It's no wonder that Copenhagen consistently ranks among the most livable cities in the world. One of Copenhagen's most famous landmarks is the Little Mermaid statue, inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale. Though modest in size, this bronze statue holds a significant place in Danish culture and draws visitors from around the globe. Standing gracefully on a rock by the Langelini waterfront, the Little Mermaid has become an iconic symbol of Denmark's fairy tale spirit. Denmark's monarchy, one of the oldest in the world, is a point of pride for the Danish people. The Amalienborg Palace, home to the royal family, is a beautiful representation of Danish architecture and heritage. Every day, visitors gather to witness the ceremonial changing of the guard, a moment filled with pageantry and tradition. This blend of regal history with modern values is a unique characteristic of Denmark. As we explore more of Denmark's rich history, the Viking era looms large. The Danes have a deep respect for their Viking ancestors, whose adventurous spirit has shaped much of Danish culture. Roskilde, one of Denmark's ancient cities, houses the Viking Ship Museum, where visitors can see authentic, thousand-year-old ships and even take part in Viking activities. These ships serve as a reminder of Denmark's maritime legacy and the bold explorers who left their mark across Europe. While Denmark's past is fascinating, its commitment to a sustainable and progressive future is equally inspiring. Danish cities, including Copenhagen, have some of the most bike-friendly infrastructures in the world. Cyclists take priority, and more than half of the population in the capital commutes by bike. This dedication to environmental consciousness extends into architecture, too. Buildings are designed to blend with nature, maximizing natural light and reducing energy consumption. Denmark is also renowned for its concept of hygge, a word that encapsulates a unique Danish way of life. Pronounced hygge, it's a lifestyle that values coziness, warmth, and well-being. Whether it's sharing a meal with friends, lighting candles on a chilly evening, or simply enjoying a quiet moment, hygge reflects Denmark's focus on quality of life. It's this sense of balance and contentment that makes Denmark one of the happiest countries in the world year after year. Now, let's journey to Jutland, Denmark's mainland peninsula, known for its wide open spaces, sandy beaches, and tranquil landscapes. Here, you'll find Skagen, Denmark's northernmost point, where the North Sea and the Baltic Sea meet in a breathtaking natural spectacle. This coastal area has inspired countless artists with its unique light and stunning views. The Skagen Painters, a famous group of 19th century artists, captured this region's beauty, leaving a legacy that endures in Danish art history. In the heart of Jutland lies Aarhus, Denmark's second largest city, brimming with youthful energy and artistic flair. Home to a large student population, Aarhus offers a blend of vibrant street art, innovative architecture, and a thriving music scene. The city's Aarhus Art Museum, with its striking rainbow panorama, gives visitors a colorful perspective of the city below and is a testament to Aarhus' creative spirit. Aarhus is also known for the open-air museum of Den Gamle By, a living history museum that transports visitors back to life in Denmark from centuries ago. Denmark's love for nature extends beyond its urban centers. This small country boasts numerous national parks and islands that attract nature enthusiasts. Mons Klint, located on the island of Mon, is a striking cliffside of white chalk cliffs that tower over the Baltic Sea. Hiking trails along these cliffs offer breathtaking views of the sea, while the clear waters below make it a popular spot for diving. These natural wonders remind us of Denmark's commitment to preserving its beautiful landscapes for generations to come. One cannot speak about Denmark without mentioning its strong culinary scene, which has gained worldwide acclaim. New Nordic cuisine, led by chefs like René Redzepi of the famous Noma restaurant, emphasizes locally sourced, seasonal ingredients and innovative techniques. Danish cuisine blends traditional flavors with a modern twist, from open-faced sandwiches known as smørrebrød to the classic Danish pastry, which locals call wienerbrød. The food culture here reflects the Danes' respect for simplicity and high quality, which is at the heart of their national identity. Denmark's cultural influence extends globally through its innovative design and architecture. Danish design is celebrated for its minimalism, functionality, and timeless appeal. From iconic furniture pieces like Arne Jacobsen's egg chair to the sleek lines of Danish modern architecture, this aesthetic has become a global trend. The Danes believe that good design should enhance daily life, and this philosophy can be seen everywhere, from Copenhagen's modern buildings to the beautifully designed interiors of Danish homes. As we conclude our journey through Denmark, we reflect on the qualities that make this country truly special. Denmark is a land where tradition and innovation coexist harmoniously, where community and individual happiness are cherished, and where the past is honored while the future is embraced. It's a country that inspires the world through its art, culture, and commitment to a sustainable, balanced way of life. Denmark may be small in size, but it leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, with its welcoming spirit, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Whether you come for the history, the natural beauty, or the warm hospitality, Denmark has something to offer everyone. So, as we bid farewell to this remarkable Scandinavian nation, we leave with a sense of hygge and a deep appreciation for a place that truly knows how to live well.